About to go show y'all the backyard electric unicycle track. I started on this like a month ago. I've done all this with a shovel and a pickaxe, and I got like 3 doubles in there now. We're still working on it, but I got a little bit done and I want to show it to y'all. It is awesome. Let's go check it out. What's up, dudes? Chooch back with another one. Welcome to my backyard full-scale EUC track I've started constructing. Now, I've been working on this thing for about a month now. Been using a pickaxe and a shovel mainly to do all this right here. This is sweet. I'm gonna be adding more to it as I go, but I got a good little start right here and it is so much fun. I've been having a total blast on it, and I got about 3 nice little doubles in here and some zigzagging turns all through here. I really spent some time building the berms up and all, and it's so much fun, and I can already tell my skills are getting better, my confidence in jumping's getting better, and it's just a ton of fun to have right in the backyard. Like, I literally am playing on it all day, and it took a lot of work to build it, but it's so worth it in the end. And I might, if y'all want to see some like construction how-tos on how I built some of this stuff in the future, whenever I build some more of it, let me know in the comments and I'll do that. But let's give it a rip, dudes. I'll show you what it's got. What's up, dudes? All right, so I'm about to go hit the backyard electric unicycle track I built. I literally built all this with just a pickaxe and a shovel, dudes. And you can do it too if you want to build something like this in your backyard. Just use your surrounding materials. If you got wood, stack the wood up to make your jumps, etc. We're about to go hit this thing and check it all out. I'm gonna show you what it's about. Let's do it. The cool thing about having a backyard EUC track, guys, is I got the good camera, and I can keep the good camera here because I couldn't take my really nice camera on all the trails. So it's gonna upgrade the footage substantially because I'll be able to set up shots and whatnot. This is gonna be great. All right, so right here we got the first section going down, and this is going to be an all rhythm section. As you go down here, you got the first double, second double, third double down there, and then over here is the wood section. So let me get gloved up and take out for a spin and hit some of these jumps. They're a total blast to hit. They really are a lot of fun. This is actually quite big. It's sketchy for building it in a backyard, you know, because you don't really know how the flow goes and everything. So I built that up right there. I built all this in here using a pickaxe, basically. What I've done is I've just gotten a pickaxe and I've just gone at the side of the mountain right here, flattened all this down just like you would in a normal mountain bike trail. Because I've seen so many mountain bike trails over the years, I kind of picked up on how they were built and how the features were made, and so now I can adapt all the features to where they're made for electric unicycle riding and make them the exact right size and everything, so they're not too big, and the run-ups don't need to be too huge. I'll probably put another jump right here eventually, but going down here, check this out. Another double right here I've made. That's another pretty good size one, a little bit steeper than the other one and a little bit shorter. And then you come over here, and then there's another double. I just built this one yesterday right here. I haven't even hit this one yet, so this is going to be a maiden voyage on it. I'm going to try it real quick, actually. So if you got a lot of rocks or wood, stack those up, and then you don't need much dirt to cover it. You can just put a little bit of dirt on top, pack it down, and you should be good to go. But here, let's see how this little jump performs right here. This little step up should be cool. It's always sketchy hitting a jump that you made for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I probably could have honestly made that one a little bit bigger. That's no problem at all, hitting that little booster. That's no problem, that's no problem. Honestly, I'm just building it as I go. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like from here. And that jump, it really looks cool from over here. Made the takeoff a little bit higher. So let's give it a whirl, see how it goes. Not bad, not bad. All right, so that's that jump right there in that section. Come around here. This is so much fun. This is amazing to have in the backyard. I'm having such a blast. This is, dude, I feel like I'm gonna get so much better, dude, just hitting those jumps like a few times back to back to back. I feel so much more comfortable with jumping than I was just before I built these things, really. That's what it takes, man. Like, cause I never really went to the jump parks much, but this makes a big difference. Having it in your backyard, man, this is fun. This is a lot of fun. when you build your own backyard jump, it's a little bit more sketchy to hit it the first time than if you go somewhere and you see like mountain bikers and stuff hitting it, you know, because you don't know what the gap's like, the takeoff's like, anything like that. So but I'll give y'all a quick little run around this thing and show y'all how it's ripping. Come through here, and then you got to get a lot of speed for this jump. Pretty big jump right there. Coming down into this section. This is pretty big. I like this one because it's kind of steep. You can pop off of it, kind of do some flares and stuff in the air. This is a good jump to learn some tricks on. Not too big of a gap, but kind of steep, so you can get some pop off of it. And then another little jump right here. This one, just a bunch of rocks in the base. If you got wood or logs or rocks or anything, use that to build it up so you don't need as much dirt, because dirt is hard to, it took some effort to pickaxe that dirt down. So I'm going to set little obstacles like this in the trail, little stuff like that you can bonk off of or whatever. I might move it in the end, but that's what I've been using to build it all. Just pickaxe and a shovel right there. And then that's what it looks like now. It's coming along nice. It's rad. And over here, doing some more, I'm getting ready for a jump. So this is how I start the foundations of my jumps. I just pile up rocks and then I put dirt on top of it. And just rocks take up a lot more surface area and harder or easier to get around here, because that's what I got everywhere is rocks. But eventually it's going to go all the way down here. This is going to be nothing but jump section all the way down this right here. So I own all this little road right here, this little excavation road. So that's it. It'll come all the way down this far eventually, but not yet. And ultimately I want to make this really a long track. I want to make it ultimately probably like 3 or 4 miles on this property, and add a lot of features, wooden bridges, trusses, like wooden trusses and stuff you go off of, bigger jumps. I might even buy some jumps offline to incorporate into it. I'm really open for whatever. The whole thing is I'm just going to make it completely centralized for electric unicycles, which is going to make it a lot of fun, because it's not going to be made for mountain bikes or made for dirt bikes. It'll be made specifically for electric unicycles, so that all the features and everything can work well with electric unicycles. All your jumps can be the right size. All the corners can be the right size, where they're really technical, where you don't need like for instance, like I put all those corners in there, and you can still ride it fast on an EUC, but it's technical and fun. You know, you're coming around those corners without the brake traction. It's just a blast, guys. So I've had a great time working on this thing, and I'm having even more fun riding it. And that's just kind of where I've been at. I know I've kind of been slacking on the videos, and it's just because I've been out here working on this every day. And I'm one of those people that if I get something on my mind, I don't quit until it's done. And it shows you, dude. Like, I literally finished the whole entire backyard. Well, I haven't finished it yet, but I got a great start on it, and I got something that's rideable and fun. And that's what I put my mind to. So that's kind of where the videos have been slacking. But I wanted to show y'all this, and definitely y'all will see some more of this in the backyard, and it's only gonna make me a better rider. But I hope this inspires you guys to just make 1 or 2 features in your yard. You can make a jump, you can make a few corners and turns, really anywhere. You can do it, you know, if you can convince the wife to let you do it, or either you can you know, get around the HOA rules where you live at, whatever you got to do. You can make a cool little backyard park, or at least some jumps or something. But anyways, dudes, it's been Chooch. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, throw it a thumbs up, and I will see you dudes in the next one. That's how you hit a berm on an EUC. Oh. Alright, I'm having so much fun on this. This is great. Absolutely great. Greatest thing I've ever decided to build. This is so much fun. Alright, anyways, dudes, it's been Chooch. If y'all enjoyed the video, throw it a thumbs up. And I will see you dudes in the next one. Stay tuned if y'all want to see some more trail building, some more ride in the backyard, because this thing's only going to get longer and only going to get better. So if y'all want to comment below some features y'all want to see me add to it, some different jumps, ramps, whatever type of jump you want to see, I'll add it in there. Anyways, dudes, y'all enjoy yourselves. Happy wheeling. Peace. I just got done from that ride. It's literally like 30 degrees outside, and I am like pouring sweat from doing that, dudes. From just messing around in the backyard, setting up all the shots and hitting jumps. Felt good though. That's great to have that in your backyard. Go out there, get some exercise, building the jumps and playing on the jumps, dudes. And I can definitely tell, like, my skills I'm hitting that track so much faster now than I was when I first built it, like crazy, dudes. Anyways, I encourage y'all to build one. That was so much fun. I'll see y'all in the next one.